Hi, I'm Helen from Woolly Chic, and one of my most popular crochet designs is the sheep tea cozy, and it's made with a crochet loop stitch. But people always ask me, how easy is it to do the crochet loop stitch? So in this video I'm going to show exactly how easy it is. So to make a crochet loop stitch, we first put our hook into the stitch and we make a loop with our finger outstretched. The hook goes under the top strand, catches the back strand and pulls both parts of the loop through the stitch. You've then got 3 loops on your hook. You can let go of the loop on your finger, take the yarn round the hook and slide through all 3 loops, and that secures your loop into place. So let me show you that again. I'm going to put my hook into the stitch, have my finger outstretched, my hook goes under and round, catches the back of the loop, pulls both parts through the stitch, let go of the loop, yarn around the hook, pull through all 3 loops on my hook. So you can adjust the size of your loops as you're making them. So you put your hook in, and pull your finger out, wrap the yarn around and pull it through the stitch. And at this point you can make the loop smaller by tugging the yarn, or you can give it a tug and make it longer. And then when you're happy with the size, yarn around the hook and pull through the loops that are on your hook. And you can give it a bit of a tug to secure it into place. So if you're working in rows, you'll be doing 1 row of loop stitches, and then your next row will be a row of double crochet stitches or single crochet stitches if you're in America. And that way all your loop stitches will be on the right side of your work.